What's up everybody, it's your boy Jack here. Welcome to another China So Easy video here on the China Crew channel. Now today we're going to be showing you how to open a Chinese bank account. So let's go.
Moving to a new country can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this series, we'll take you by the hand and show you exactly how to survive. Don't stress, China is so easy.
Now the bank I've chosen is the Chinese Merchants Bank because it's the closest branch and their systems are very well updated. Looks like we gotta wait a little bit to be seen. Very nice lounge area. We're just gonna sit here and relax until someone comes and helps us. Alright, so I gotta fill in this form with all my details. Alright, so name?
Name? Yeah. Okay. Your telephone number.
Alright, wait, I gotta get my phone.
Yeah. Your name is here.
Signature.
Right here.
Yeah, it's signature.
Please.
Okay.
Right.
Alright, the same name, okay. My name's so big.
Here is 2020.
Oh, the date, okay.
Yeah.
So 2020
24
04
14.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Here you should write here by
English
your,
last name. Okay.
last name.
Okay.
And your first name.
First name, okay.
Yeah, first name. Your card number.
Certificate number.
Yeah.
Oh, passport number. Okay.
Passport number.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Alright, so they had me filling in some forms. They showed me exactly where I need to fill in, what I need to write in there. I have no idea what I was signing. Some of this stuff is completely in Chinese, but they're very helpful. They're very friendly. Alright, it's day 2. We had to come back the next day because I was an idiot and I forgot my proof of residence. So now we gotta go put in our documents again, and then I'll update you when we're done. And success. We're done. I got my card. I got my brand new bank account. Now, let me tell you what you're going to need if you want to open your own bank account here at the China Merchants Bank in China. You're going to need your passport, proof of residence, your job details. You're going to have a tax number, and you're going to have to give your Chinese phone number. Now, if you don't have any of these things yet, first I would start with the Chinese phone number. And how to get a Chinese SIM card, you can go watch our first episode of this series. The whole application took about an hour and a half, so do give yourself some time when you go to the bank. It's not going to be a 5-minute thing. There's a lot of details they got to put in, and there's some discrepancies between using English and the bank system is all on Chinese. Though some of the forms do have English on it, you're going to have to allow yourself some time for them to input all your English details into the system. But overall, it was really simple, yet time-consuming issue, and it's that easy to open a bank account in China. For anyone that's going to be spending a lot of time in China, who's going to be working in China, this is absolutely a must-have. You have to have a bank account. And now that we do have a bank account, we can continue our series. When the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you how to use WeChat Pay. So check that out. This is Jack signing off from Xi'an. I'll see you in the next one. 谢谢.
Again, I'm sorry, I've not been